Hello everyone. Today is January 13, 2023. It's a Friday and last day of the week. I'm going to share with you a couple of trades I have here. Before I start, let me remind you that you can check my the comments on this or the description of this video in the lower part, and you will find some links to different areas. So basically, Discord server is one of them. You can participate in the community there are also explanations of the strategies that I follow, and also up until I believe that it's Monday night, there is a 80% discount on Apex. So you can use these. The code that I have is actually until the 23rd, which is it's a Monday. Oh, it's the following Monday. So plenty of time to do it. I'm gonna acquire one more account with them. I do have two, and then so I trade my own account, and I trade with Apex using the replicator. So you can see that one here. Today the profit was 530 times 3. So the first one is my main account, and these other two are Apex. So I'm gonna probably get another one for during this week. I was under the impression that was actually for next week, but it's actually 1 week of this promotion. So you have 80% discount and 80% of the renewal per life. So as long as you have it, then it would be at that 80% discount. Okay, so let's review the trades I made. So the first one, I trade basically, let me see, I trade gold and crude today. I was thinking that that gold was going to move stronger to the upside. I didn't do that well there, but I'm okay with the trades I did. So in gold, there were. I'm gonna review gold first. So there are 6 trades, and I'm gonna go in each one of them. So the first one was actually in the morning. Before the market opened, or before the ghost pit opened for gold. So basically you see that there was overnight there was a move to the upside here, and then the market had some sort of consolidation there and broke below this support level right here at 628. I was not watching the computer there, but there was a good breakout. You have two areas of two pivots of support, so you have there a good breakout that you could have taken in there in the direction of the downside. And then the market came here at 7, and I was looking at this. So I missed this one, but then I was looking at this price action here, and also the momentum, right? So you have a couple of things here that are important. You have the VWAP there, and then you have a pivot low right here, and then you have a failed breakout to the upside. Basically, it's a bull trap, goes all the way up, and then it started to move down here in the other direction, right? So I could have taken this one here, but in an area of congestion or compression, I prefer to wait just in case it does play, and especially because it was before the market opened. So I let it go a little bit to that level right here. So you see that broke support right there, and that is where I took the trade. So basically this one is a it was a week out of the week out of the moving averages right there. There was another one that failed right there and another one that failed right there. But basically this one is a compression break, sort of, right? So actually, if you consider this diagonal here, the optimal break would have been right there. I didn't take it. I just wanted to wait until it broke that that pivot low right there, and it did. There was some resistance level at this point. You see right here. Right here, there is a small resistance in this area, so my first target was around that area there. So and you have here the momentum. So you have a bounce. It's kind of like a zero touch. For the fast line right there, so it was okay to take it over there. I did wait though there. So first target went down right here, and second target went down in this area here. The third one, I could have sold it here at the second, or right here at the second target, right there. I'm gonna repaint it there. That one would have been the second target, but I waited a little bit to see if it was going to move down below this this area. It did, and then reversed. I gave another chance and reversed again, and I just sold it right there. Okay, so that trade was $310, and I was thinking, okay, so it's early in the morning, 7:30. I'm done. I today Monday is Martin Luther King day, so holiday, probably there's not gonna be that much volume in the market. I'm gonna leave it there. But then I continued looking at here, and there were a couple of trades that were against me here, but finally I made the day on gold. So let's review those. Okay, so right here I enter it in this area here. I don't know why the I believe that I entered it here actually. Yes, this one should be correct. The entry would have been there, but I was looking at I was hesitating on this one. Didn't want to enter it because it was just too close to the VWAP, and the VWAP could work as a resistance. You see right here, it came back down to this direction right here. So then try to break it, but then when I saw that the market started to reject this, started to move up, so I entered it. I'm sorry, I entered it back here, and then I was stopped out right there. It wasn't a small stop, just because I moved my stop very close. I didn't, and when it reversed, then I sold it, and it was a $60 loss per trade, or per contract. So yeah, so it's $120 loss. So that came back down from my initial 310. So now I'm at 190. Now since I was stopped there, I was waiting for it to break above this double top area right here. So you see in here there is a double top signed by that by this yellow sign DT that it's there, right? So I took that one on the break right here, and I was punished back again. This time it was a $200 loss, $100 per contract. So so 10 ticks going in the other direction. And then I knew that this one around the VWAP, you see how the VWAP act as a magnet and didn't want to live. So I took one more trade here in this area, and this one was a good one. So I entered it right there, and then first target there, and then in a reversal I sold it right there. I didn't wait until that point here. I just I tied it up a little bit. It had a nice run, so that was it, and that was good for $340. So the first one was 100, and then the other one was 200 and was $240. So $340 in between the two of them. Then I had another loss right here. So market bounced. Now I'm in the oversold area. Okay, so before the market opened, I saw this rectangle here, or this consolidation area right there. Right, so you have a compression area, and then it broke out of the compression to the upside. So when I extended this area, and this one is an oversold area already, so I bought within that compression area right here, and again I was punished once more right here. So that loss was small, $120 in between the two contracts. Fortunately, it moved from my entry, which was not perfect. My entry should have been there. Let me take this one out of here. So my entry should have been right there, a couple of ticks below, but then it moved up, and then I was stopped out right there. So so that is another loss for $120, $60 per contract there. Then it broke again, and you have here this pivot high. I'm gonna change the color. So you have this one. This is a previous high, not a pivot high, but a previous high from yesterday. So when it was breaking when it was breaking that level there, I took that entry there, and this one was good for the first contract there, and then second target. So first target, second target for that one was $400. So that one was a good trade, and then the market continued. I was out. I just trade to the target right there. So I had too many trades. Six trades is a little bit too much for me. That I don't like in and out, but in this case I was expecting gold to move strongly to the upside, and actually it did. I missed part of this run, or part of this run here, but I took probably half of it right in this area. So which is good. I'm okay. So those are the trades for gold. I actually have GC there, or crude. Actually, I should have been showing this here. That this is the 30 minutes on gold. I'm sorry if I misled you. So the entry was around this area. It was a little bit of wiggle in this area here, and then finally moved to the upside. Now it's a little bit too late to take any trades. It's forming a bull flag right here. Probably is going to continue, but you know, I'm taking the rest of the day off, not trading anymore. There was some big movements or nice movements here, but you know, at the end it's choppy, and then you are probably guessing where it's going. So it's mainly horizontal. So that was it for gold. All right, so let's check whoppy $80 loss in crude.